High above, a silent guardian wakes. But how was it born? Zero human touch. Pure robotic perfection. Witness the birth of intelligence. Welcome back to Future FactoryX. Today, we conquer the stars. It begins with graphene-iridium. Lighter than air, stronger than any shield. Solid metal turns to gas. At the molecular level, we rearrange reality. A skeletal lattice, printed from light, impossible for any human hand. Instant cryogenic tempering, locking the molecular structure for eternity. Liquid gold joints, flexibility for the vacuum, strength for the launch. The central spine. Everything depends on this perfect alignment. Radiation shielding active, the first defense against the sun's fury. Threading the neural paths. Miles of fiber optics in a tiny space.
Scanning for flaws. Our AI sees what the human eye misses.
A signature of excellence, built to outlast empires. Total decontamination. In space, a single grain of dust is fatal. The skeleton is ready. Now, we give the satellite a mind. The quantum bus. A brain capable of 1 trillion calculations per second. Diamond processors. Heat-resistant intelligence for the harshest environments.
Liquid silver pathways, ensuring data flow at near light speed.
Liquid helium cooling, to keep a superbrain from burning up.
The central nervous system. Every sensor connected to the core.
Sealing the vault. The intelligence is now protected. Initializing consciousness. Uploading the prime directives.
The AI is learning. Mapping the stars it will soon call home.
Regulating the flow. Powering the heart of the Guardian.
Energy link established. The satellite is now self-sustaining.
Checking every synapse. Perfection is the only standard. Autonomous inspectors, ensuring every micron is in its place.
Systems stable. The mind and the body are now synced.
Shielding complete. The brain is safe inside its fortress. Complete. Now, we harness the power of the sun. The wings of the Guardian. Massive arrays for infinite energy. Each cell is a jewel, capturing every photon from the sun. Self-repairing glass. Space debris will never dim this power. Built to be compact. Designed to expand in the void. Attaching the wings. These hinges never fail, even in deep freeze.
A successful test. From shadows to sunlight in seconds.
Testing the flow. Converting light into pure data power. Energy storage for the dark side of the planet. Heat management, keeping the power steady in the sun's glare. Tracking the sun, maximum efficiency every second of the orbit.
Final power link. The energy grid is now complete.
Tucking the wings for launch. Stability is everything.
Surface integrity, 100%. No flaws in the golden shield.
Power systems. Green.
Turning to the optics bay, it's time to see. The eye of the sky. A mirror polished to the atom. Flexion perfection. Not a single scratch allowed. Aligning the focus. Seeing a blade of grass from space. Multi-spectrum sensors. Seeing heat, light, and the invisible. Blocking the glare. Only the target matters. Protecting the eye. Opening only when the mission calls.
Night vision initialized. Darkness is no longer a shield.
Integrating the vision. The Guardian now has its eyes.
Calculating distance. Pinpoint accuracy from 500 miles up.
Zero internal reflection. Only pure data enters this eye.
Focus test. Passed. The clarity is absolute.
Preventing the freeze. Clear vision in the coldest void. Surviving the launch, the eye remains steady. Optics, 100%. The satellite is watching.
Sleeping to orbit.
The voice of the Guardian, reaching back to Earth. Gold leaf shielding, because every byte of data is precious. Connecting the signal, the bridge between worlds. Laser link technology, bursting data at gigabytes per second. Laser link technology, bursting data at gigabytes per second. A perfect bloom, ready to catch the weakest signals.
Voice test. Successful. Earth is listening.
Secure data only. Unbreakable codes for a dangerous world. Molded for flight. Silent until the time is right. Weatherproofing for space. No jam, no freeze, no fail.
Zero interference dictated. The path is clear.
Handshake 5. The network is waiting.
Fixed and firm. Ready for the vibration of launch.
Future FactoryX. Always connected. Always watching. Comms online. Now we give it wings to move. Ion propulsion. the silent wind of the vacuum. 4-point thrust. Perfect control in 360 degrees. Xenon fuel, enough for 10 years of orbital life. Leak-proof seals. Fuel is life in the void.
Static fire. Success. We have thrust.
Micro thrusters. For the smallest movements with the biggest impact. Steering the stars. Total maneuverability achieved.
Plotting the orbit. Every move calculated to the millisecond. Pressure. Nominal. Nominal. The tank is secure.
Protecting the body from its own fire.
Fueling complete. The tanks are full. The mission is near.
Brain and muscle are one. The pilot is ready.
Launch ready. These thrusters will never falter.
Quality guaranteed. Power to go the distance. Propulsion ready. The final transformation begins. The golden armor, reflecting the sun, surviving the cold. Perfect sealing. Space is unforgiving. We are prepared. A name that commands the heavens. Future FactoryX.
Final system check. Everything is glowing. Everything is ready.
Into the shell. The long wait begins.
Sealed for departure. Goodbye, Earth. Hello, eternity.
T-minus 10 minutes. The world is watching.
Fueling the beast. The power of 1,000 suns. The tethers are gone. It's time to fly. Ignition. The journey of the Guardian begins. Breaking the atmosphere. Gravity is losing its grip. Freedom. The Orbital Eye sees the stars for the first time. Deployment. Perfect. The Guardian has its wings. Signal received. Future FactoryX is now online. The mission continues. Subscribe to witness the next evolution.